This English. Hey, this English, ladies and gentlemen. In case if you are seeing me for the first time, Oyoku Eradoda, Oyoku Erada Bowa Mokwa Unono 2024. I am yours sincerely, faithfully, MC Jpac Okwa Nyono. Jpac, Ogechi have finished you. What's happening? Tell us now. Do you know what is called finish? He could not. He did not touch me. He did not. Let me block it. You are free to comment. Bring up your comments so that I can see you and block you immediately. That is me. Bring up your comments. Consider me easy block, okay? Because I'm gonna dream very hard to be looking for Ndesambalat and Tobeyats. Just each can block. Open each can block. Type or here type. I will unless what I'm after it will now help me to block you. My name and my live video making a query Google. Koyangro Ara 9 months. Yeah, Koyangro Ara name for 9 months. God bless you. Anywhere believe is. I'm going to say drop that comment. It will now help me to block you. Okay, are you a gay or not? Okay, thank you. I'm not blocking Kamarota. I would like it. You know, I want to block. I want to bring out like 10 minutes to block people. You know. No, no, my answer one time, and I didn't matter how I been there. I why I'm not batting. All the home machines post to answer in the area. You just about those book. Can then when they upload us, they bring by a better more time. If you can block or drop or comment, I will just know that you don't want to join the live video. I will just, you know, drop you immediately. So check it now. Your comment not they feed me. When you need a comment to the bad, the comment to the good is not feeding me. You do not Jpac clear the air. Which air? And make clear Bamo. Which air can they clear? Which air can they clear? First and foremost, how can they go to the people that matters first? How to make an Igbo Southeast content creators, Igbo bloggers, Southeast. In fact, there is this one unique thing about Igbo, which I must have to confess. More especially my colleagues, them. How many virgin oil did you? Oh, God bless you. Oh, wow. Wow. Thank you very much for telling me to block you for life. Yeah, just bring up that comment. I love it. Baby oil, thank you. Can block all each and in poor people who do Facebook with 100 naira data. But one you cook. Only they believe you only get out of you. Can I swear believe a madman talking on the street? So if Onyara call you as long as you can believe that Onyara, when you hear believe no what. I blame one and gave Maria Chinya clutches, brand new clutches, saying that Odigo healed. He believe we'll come back holy, hallelujah, Jesus, amen. Why wouldn't you believe nonsense coming out from a trash? Both in them I find you, but I'm so much disappointed that Igbo Credo. I don't disappointed that Igbo Credo was the first person if I never be the motor Toyota Corolla. That was 2008 or thereabout when he finished from school at Unizik. That time I wasn't there because I didn't entertainment that time and day, you know. I struggled to enter gate. Igbo Credo must have been. Machambe if I remember like here blue Toyota Corolla be even if they not support Oka, even if they not support Oka or when product they defend, can't you come up that man you say you love? That man you said you love. Even if I don't want to say anything, this one now is itching me. I have to say it. That man I hear a clamoring around your love. He posts to a banner, he posts to a picture. Post to be board, post a rest in peace. Well, need the picture if I remember we made a profile picture. It doesn't mean anything. It doesn't make anything. The time if I need you most is the time and talk against him. Somebody bring a moto, ego, make your life better. Me na mara da moto. If I buru moto na afi igbe na brand here, afi igbe na big credo. Ka somebody no we mepe on we na that person na abo gage no gay. Only thing you could do is to just the person picture, rest in peace. Come out and defend that man, even at the point of death. Oh, because anybody can use you and do ye. Because I'm an only one. Oh, God, I'll give you highlights about my goods, you know. I'll give you highlights, but I just want to clear this one so that when I download the screen record section, so they can be able to screen record it and also repost it, because I'm on my post, the people anywhere where I in the blog, you know, that is all good, that is all good. It drives my living, all that, you know. So if we create the change is very, very bad. I'm blocked all. Everybody, God bless you for telling me to block you. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that God bless you. Why will he defend what he doesn't know? Man, on acquiring a gate from morning till night. The same way as acquiring acquiring. And then man case you so mother will take phone no but somebody on a phone or be a help where you know or Bruno or use again. Yeah, they use good mother on a phone call. Call mother but an office, cook daughter. And when the group runs are there for a office, you get 1, get 2, get 3. Be a get that security in a hard rosy. One of those be fine, but they didn't was under or be fine. But God will continue to judge them. But the day brother, those people knows you. The day brother had knows you. I will just keep my hand like this because my chi is about to fight for me. My chi, if Chim is about to. Yeah, is about to start his work. Most people know the comment section, but I'm telling them more than you cannot enter his house. Or go to we are get 1, get 2. We got protocol 2, protocol. We got the protocol. Where he's a senator. How many DSS now Jpac no out of 250 million Nigeria. Who is only know where the smooth. Who's who the smooth, who's Torotonanya, or who's a Jpac no, can you find your letter? We got the whole DSS, got the SSS, got even the Bay Final, but never IG of police. Do you like baby or let me block you. Anjabundoka, Ogechi Okeke. Where I have been to China. They on Sunday they do business and you know when was having a church, when was having on Oka came to a guy, I will go back to Omenana and do it squarely. Because now the life and the lifestyle of those that call themselves Ndoka after 100 days. Oh yeah, I met 100 days the next thing was either know Pabariko, either knows Verohi, either know back to scamming business, either know which means now that 100 days is preventing you not to commit evil. After the 100 days, then you still commit evil. Start on. I have evidence. Oh, yeah, man, I know with evidence. Okay, but the evidence came. We don't have evidence. And since you know got evidence, if you are with evidence, no zoo. No zoo, yeah. Hey, soon to a good, yeah. And the Ozuga about Nigeria self, Ozuga, yeah. I can make Ozuga arrest. Ozuga about Nigeria can arrest. Because only one who against onye one where you know quite all that no one make who on where onye one with a family, who they back all the time, they back when they think that deal mafuzi again. When they back small children. The only thing they could do, Igbo nails out, onye na mock when nails out. You're not sure of what you are saying. Even listen up on the phone. Then Jpac, I want him know my precious time. I went near my call, near my phone or no. Where over wine, where Kobasser, and Jpac, where 7, oh, where 7. ma this guy na-echu my WhatsApp ka na-echu mmiri na-akpọ crazy after this Nebuchadnezzar. I just be watching that. I don't want to reply anybody. Ijeuwa. Na Ijeuwa na-echu my WhatsApp ka na-echu mmiri. Mgbe to say the chat mo na Ijeuwa na chat madam I reply here. Na Ijeuwa na ayam biko Jpac biko send the enemy invitation for your wedding. Ka m bịara gị wedding do biko ni. Oruda minute and send the other invitation. Na Ijeuwa ha niile Ijeuwa go so far n'aka nwanyị. Mụ na-agwa gị ị ga-ata kọnkịrị n'aka nwanyị. Keep defending what you know is that is very wrong. Keep defending if I had the wrong. Ijeuwa ị ga-ata kọnkịrị gị nwa na-ezu ugo. Ị ga-ata kọnkịrị. You claim to love Ifeanyi, you claim to Ifeanyi boy nnewi. Ọnọdụ ka onye mmadụ ejide mpa gị na-ete mpa gị pọtị. Then maybe your best friend is rubbishing the name of your father, which is ịma he had the wrong na ọ bụghị eziokwu. Were because of one naira a na-enye gị. Enye gị one naira a na-enye gị. Chebe ma marọ. I know all those things. One naira a na-enye gị. Were eze maka nyanwa. Ijeuwa nke gị bụ na you don't want to grow. You don't want anybody to teach you how to grow. My friend Nebuka na-akụziri gị ka kụziri gị ihe na-akpọ Facebook. Ọ dụgidere gị ọdụ ka ọ maa na ị ga-amara ihe. Ijeuwa sị na ọma marata ihe n'ụwa na ihe karịa mmabiela n'iyi. Ịkwụrụ gbadaa. Akụziri gị Facebook ekweghị gị mmụta. Kụziri gị blọgin ekweghị gị mmụta. Ka a monetizere gị akaụntụ ka isoro ibe gị na-aracha ego na ego dị na Facebook. Okweghị m kedu ihe ọjọọ ka ezi ihe mmadụ ya emere gị nọ ebe iyi were data ya mkpachara followers ya were onye ọbụla chọrọ ịbụ a blogger and a professional blogger can never have a denomination. Ihe akwụ n'ụka ihe akwụ n'omenala so that onye mee ihe ọjọọ inwe ike gwa plain. Once you base onwe gị n'omenala base onwe gị n'ụka glue yourself together guy o nwere gị ihe eme ka ị rụọ that blogging work perfectly. You cannot do it perfectly. It's because of one you good influence. Jpac, shut up. Thank you. Can help all your life, you know. I don't like you. You're gonna go. Let me block you immediately. I don't have time for replying people. Just say it's of no use. Guy, I grow to the extent that a married man supposed to see that you know. One ya maya bụ Jpac. Ọ bụrụ before onye kwana ka ebo. Ọ bụrụ before onye kwana ka ebo. Mụnwa na-agbagide mmadụ. Nya, isi na ka ịgba war, mma agbagide gị war with a fact. Anya mmiri esi na ya na-agụsị n'anya. But I respect my wife. I respect my in-laws. If not for anything, my wife bụ onye agụkwu nri aka ji ọfọ. Obi gbasiri ike. Nne my wife bụ alọ London. I have respect for ndị alọ because nne my wife bụ onye alọ. I have respect for ndị nri because my wife bụ onye nri. I have respect for myself. Enwere dignity. Yes, enwere dignity. Ọ bụrụ ife ọbụla adapter na Jpac come and clear air. Which air? That air ahụ chọrọ ike ka m clear. Snake just want to pitch the air, I cause he could do because nothing to clear. You never believe why. Kahara bundani in this to believe who in one in a who, one in a who, and your mamma, not just one you. Oh, one I go who do Okuda. I see yes, now one are the responsible. So somebody like Abu Ugobabe, Ugobabe never say something, never come up like this and lament. Ugobabe might be right. These are the women of integrity. Obuno Herika Obun blog. As yes, this woman is on respect for the husband. People that have respect for the husband are the people I am ought to listen to their messages. Somebody onye jidere die keji were die tini ha kupe bottle kuchie ka kinwa bo somebody na Facebook Jpac ese ma ọ bụ na iwepụta that evidence ihe sunta with evidence ya onye ukwu na okpe titie gị ọnụ titoba all na one with that evidence. Manu na na me here akogonoga onye ukwu no kwozi ntu a tichie on with that evidence. Ma obu ni wepụta he phone wi wete die call mkpọrọ gị. Ma obu ni wepụta he your die call. Go to any network, you must bring that die call. Open no WhatsApp. And then when WhatsApp, or about what money, or about all money, or in Japan, or you must bring that proof. Mobile with the only who know you till chicken to worry when you're now, and then way other than never heard on every knows, and every time knows Uzuga, you're making again Uzuga arrest. And the cook when I don't talk too much. And after this live, I don't think I will say anything again. Oh, I will just continue with my business. After all, that's 5 pieces of motorcycles coming back. It's been 2 weeks time. I got the almost a day deposited. They're going to die. Be a machine. You know, January I return back to China, do my business. Oh, God bless you, Chinwe. Oh, on to. Oh, beautiful. Collect blocking. Oh, God bless you. Yeah, I'm ready for everybody. Just drop that your comments. It's acceptable. Ma go block him because if you know start to block all those people, they pollute the minds of the innocent people on your page. Your page cannot grow. You know? Mother but they believe why. Anyway, also stop these brokers now. Onto Guinea. Onto the go on that. Look at commanding. Stop these brokers now. So stop these brokers. Also, China made me fresh. Half of the Nigeria. No wonder Igbo na China. I try bata. Iya fama na aro sampa. You say that Nigeria so na amata. Kita ande mari hilin now. No, I block them. Where? Focus on your life. God bless you, Nam. Only God man open fire bad ndo. Also go no man coma. Also open fire bad the oxygen need man na coma. Ore kuzume. You can't say that. You can't say such. Even kita self in the go na be free. Because nobody is going to take action now. Okay, ni CEOs. Any CEOs buy a man okwu ni na-ekwu. All your talk you know na National Assembly. Ogunu mo ekwu okwu. Mandiri na ewete video na adiro show. You na comment, you na re blog, you want ego, Jpac we say, you will do the picture fine when circulate. Muno ne nworo when what thing concern me. Oh, mba kwase rozu. Then the next step erejie. Mba ha onye obana nwere video ya na Facebook na page ozugbo and delete picture fine but nike. Onye obana nwere picture fine na Facebook ozugbo and delete ye nike. Because now what shows back here man National Assembly is working. No the heru 24 hours for money. But I don't know what I see one woman of America post them. I will say come and explain. Provide that woman download that thing. I just the leak secret for her. Kapas use na kahara bunde ne Jeep 55 when I nonsense. Or kahara bunde Jeep picture. I imagine that's something you know nothing about. One America you tune a problem, nari. Oh, you tune a problem. One America you see small bloggers na problem, and they think na Njaka Ijeuwa. All those people nda all those people mma where mma maru ho no. Obuna nwanya a na-eti hu na prison mana oburu mwa. Obuna nwanya a unu na-eje defend na-eti hu na prison mana oburu mwa bụ Jpac. No, you might say with the picture of Jpac, get your view. Can you give more of my pictures? Can you wear add the quote and Kiji? Can you wear my video? We are talking about a sitting senator whose seat is still vacant. Whose seat is still vacant. I couldn't never know 1 week or not. Don't worry. Indirectly. Shut up. You are lying. God bless you. Can block all you. Can block all those. once of onye bụ ha na scapegoat pam all that shut up. God bless you. Let me share it on. Oh. Drop your comment. I'll block you. Oh, you too na trouble. You may say, hey, now no. Now for Facebook, I see my account download that. They talk say Jpac that this person they do this. They talk say. Mba, where's why write them. Here, me cha day him na nke maro. Hey, what am I? No be who first laugh, they laugh the best, you know. No be who first laugh, they laugh the best. And who first do, no be wahala, you know. Hey, no be who first do. Bye, man. You know, when they went to the body of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, whoever in the APC, he go explain tire, he go explain. He go explain tire. But why America no be no tea? Then when I turn watch like this, and I want one by one. But over there the phone, person you are defending, you know, say defend your why. Take away the phone, who may pick he call. But I say, I don't know. I hate Njaka. That is why I maintain all my steez. I don't want to talk. That I did not want to talk. Yes, people should know something that my silence all the deep. Because when you go to my bag is 3 million naira. For my number 090-249-1001. 090-249-1001. Meanwhile, man at 390 watching. Let me entertain you guys with my very lovely song. You know, go and drop go back to the by one day the whole total link in the game God drop. Couldn't get a woman. Before they say, you guys are not going to add you. That's who's reason I've gone to you. All those who know you are Jpac come and clear air, Clear air for what? And I do go on add you. No, so young one when they keep up one ball. So young one. Some people are maroon or boka. Bia picture have their mind and how I got the effect. So young one. Kana bo kisha kan bana so yen wura kana bo ko ne maro na mgbe mere wedding na cartel so juru die if for the mention names na ko ne maro na na bishop also bro de na mma ko ne maro na ogam ko bo ko ne maro na baby ko de na mma na ogam ko bo ko ne maro na seaman de na mma na ogam ko bo e maro na zen ko de na mma e maro na ogam ko bo make I dey call my bosses so that I go help you ki wi ke da do okwu ka ngwa gị na ebe ahụ nọ na America 24 hours ihe nweta onwe na Nigeria in 1 minute. Why you know they call names? Because of every onye anwụgo na onye anwụrụ anwụ. Ọ na ịmara na mụ na ndị na nwere ndị m na es ndị nna agara ndị nna gbara odibo ndị mbụ because onye fee eze erue. Ịmara onye fee eze erue ka ọ na-efuro bebi ọkụ na my wedding. Fake them go bam 2,000 pounds. You know the CM? Akubilo, Kida can talk on Akubilo. You people did not expect that my wedding will shock internet. Jpac anywhere belly face, Jpac anywhere belly face, anywhere belly face, we may wedding or short or down. Only my hall alone will go to 4 million naira. Hall. Where for hall? Only decoration, name that hall, 4 million. You shock them. That is why they don't see way to tackle me. They don't see way to tackle me. But I'm happy my wife. And my wife will book the other. My wife will book I made the car they are okay. About the Jpac, he may betray ya. Get a balance betray ya. Oh, but Mary Jagadoka, even no. You know, you for a machine. You know, they can say that. If everybody can use Zoom to get my fellow bloggers, why wouldn't I run? Because the bone of contention here in Nagatabu, or when they say I'm not oku. If any so kuni na can go through for those who are MS recording. If any so kupamo your own na public, that's all. can block all this saga really paying you. Paying who? One of China, and when I'm at now, the one thing about time in Nigeria and China, you know, I China just 7 good hours now after Nigeria. So on Abu Chiji, get up morning, get up good morning, get up go with it. Up go with the name and China. So I'm working towards Chinese time. Even so kuni na abona mo yoro onye obodo. That's all. Even so ku bona mo botara onbo se na obodo onwe ya mmejọ ya biko ya gbaghara m. Mana chikalara bia dozie mkpọpụta onye obodo. Yoe because nwa afọ Igbo ọbụla chọrọ ka ọ gaa n'ihu. Ịbụrụ e blog chọrọ ka ị gaa n'ihu. You don't have to be quarrel with everybody. Oge enwe ndị gị na ya adị na mma. And onwe onye imejọrọ ihe eji ama nwoke bụ imejọ mmadụ pụta yọọ onye ahụ. Immediately nye ha onye obodo ozugbo pịam ha wee je wee sinye asị n'ọkụ wee buru asị dịka drone juru drone wee dọị n'ọkụ like this wee sigide asị wee ghee wee gwa ajụ koruko asị wee ka ebo m jee ebe a ebo m mgbupụ onwe because ihe ebo m ihe meme. They don't expect say my wedding go shock. Go to Villa Park, ask them. They go in the hall, 2.7 million. Or they are somebody boom my only can debut how many informant na my group. Piamos bo, I just tell the wedding list. They was in the donate they're gonna the committee. Or that one I am with them. Wouldn't have got a strategy. A book wedding committee. How do I go everything now with my account? 99% of comments now say Jpac Odogu. Nah, you get men, which means you get people who love you. Or that comment, no, now you see a walking, came. Fancy you because you have organically organic fans. Because you defend them. No, they are doing it willingly, wholeheartedly. Wholeheartedly, every time my wedding list and the sponsor the committee. Nke abụọ nke fọrọ anya onye ọbụla efuru that committee ahụ my enemies je ebupụte bụ nke unu fọrọ anya nke abụ nke ewe onwe ndị bụ odogwu efuru afọ bibi ọkụ ebe a ọnọrọ die onwe ndị na-achọrọ ka add ha na committee bezere private and ndị nke private ya onwe no less than 500,000 1 million ha chom ọ dị ya ga onwete ha esikwa ebe ọzọkwa achụka nwete ha esikwa ọga ịga ego tire after this week ọ nọ na mfu na ọjụgo oyi kịta ewo nya eme m obere doings ọhịọkwa Jpac ọkpọntụ Jpac anywhere benefit akụkọ ka ị na-eme imechie ije na pharmacy goro ọgwụ BP 500 mg ṅụọ with water. Oga one here mere kawara don't tell me go to isiokwu. If you don't like follow, if you don't like this live video, peer exit. Don't tell me go to isiokwu. When don't like ihe na-ekwu. Or some go to isiokwu. When I gonna be ejiokwu. Mekus, God bless you. Or let's on my for your comment. Info Pam blocking. Hey, I hear say the entire Mamanyash. God bless you. Blocking. Oh yeah, okay, what does that? Do King Santiago. I know that name is not even a human name. It's the name of an animal. And block all those. God bless you. Accept TC. At least it takes me 2 minutes to be blocking people before I continue. Because I send a message. Jpac on the live. Go attack. Drop comments. ETC, I block one straight. Ade Nigeria. Ade Naija. Guy, I go click, make cartels. One of them time no work for negativity. Bad energy, bye bye. Bad energy, bye bye. Facebook war, saga, bye bye. Level activated, you know. I mean, BK. Why I been why? For years, this woman is following me. You know. God bless you. Guy, I'm going to go again because what am I doing? You don't know what why? Nah, the only thing you got to do for me is that help one of my life, you know. I'm still growing. You go anything go by here. I'm gonna have one nigga work here. You know, have one nigga. Just stream audio. Me see the link and I'm going to tap. If you hear your brother name for this song, we will play June because support MC Jpac and Saka Divide. Onye na bomb. Ogwa uno Jpac. Wait. Onye ruru egwu ebe onye na-akpọ Mazi Michael. Okay, somebody says I should stand up and dance. Wow. Mbe we gonna attack gbara egwu na my wife dị na. Kai mera wali ke bu ya de na. They will screenshots of my wife. We will have one saga. I go there like this. I make I don't stand up. My wife got a baby. The Ijeuwa was in Dubai. 105 hours. 5 hours transit. So I thought I could enter Dubai. So try yeah. As somebody, I'll have to have their visa before my team Dubai. So I come back and key the back update. Double qua. You know. I'm bitter. Because the support on the more machine now, but at least I had a mother now on machine, all the 35 pieces. Can't remember 10. Oh, but it will become 500,000 in Balloon. They made 3 million 5. Mana, I shall be more again. You are come there 3 million. 3 million. Can we watch your pass? You know, I'm going business. Jpac go and look for work. MS go on wedding. I don't go tomorrow. At least can never go to group page. And name a group page. And I tear here the container. You know, how about a repa? Watch your pass before my name before this year. And we can go to one full 40 feet or 120 feet. But as it start now, I need tear here. I need tear here. You know, I'm gonna have a mirror advert the other time. Condom wear. Number the person. You know, and other supply of Mandelas. On the highest quality material. I'm China. Better answer Africa. Man, only quality in Africa. When quality in Canada, if quality China, their own, how they use it, okay, European quality, very, very strong. You know, yeah. Kai double again, I couldn't care. Though he ever drop a just stream with you. Can you have one of my top track? I'm an Abu before it's not a hotel. Go another one. As not a hotel reading can deoka. Aguzeramunka. And by the grace of God. Then go there. I may appreciate. Oh, Victor Don. You type baby oil here. Even there here. God bless you. Chop blocking. I have no time to welcome Mugo. Most honorable ladies and gentlemen, my Jemo, and my chaka when I say, I'm no one maker na January 8 and 10. Biko kacha de memakagene. Nonya na po Zenko communication. The flying money egone ejija no bombadike. Na kwa mame na January 10th. And it's gonna be a shutdown. Kende gama there, Fino Fino gano there live. Davido will be touching down o bombadike. What look at this one. Davido will be live in Obo. I get when I bought now. I get where Obako who's the whole of Anambra State will be in Obomba Kitchen Kingdom for the burial of Mama Zenko communication. Egone Ejije, Egone Fefe, the flying and working money. The national anthem in the Anambra State is ready and keep as well. January 10, Obanjega, Baroto, no more. No, we put a and keep as well. Then I have to put to your mind na January 8 na Ogbanje karịrị Ogbanje ga-agbara ọtọ na ebe a na-akpọ Ụkpọ Mbadike Ancient Kingdom. Kedu ife na-eme n'Ụkpọ? Oga mmadụ ncha live and direct. Oga mmadụ ncha na-akwa mama ya na January 8. And Ogechi Okeke weti date ya bụ ya na-akpọ Dangote Cement. Dangote ji aka weti this date na January 8. Onwere ife na-eme n'Ụkpọ Mbadike. January 8 all road list Ụkpọ. January 10 all road list Ụkpọ. So onwere ihe na-akanye na January 8 and 10. Be rest assured na ị gbatara onwe gị anya na ị nwere men. Ọ bụ na ị nwere capacity, crowd na-abịa n'Ụkpọ. Hold up na-adị n'Ụkpọ. Crowd na-adị n'Ụkpọ. Davido ga-anọ Ụkpọ live and direct. Ọ bụrụ ihe tọkịrị. You know, Davido is a brand ambassador of General Bitters. Davido, Fino, Flavor, Burna Boy. Guy, ha bụ okwu. A ga-eme ha na-akpọ nya, a ga-eme shut down n'Ụkpọ. Next time, ị na-agwa onye Ụkpọ okwu, iwetata onu ala na-agwa onye Ụkpọ okwu na ndị Ụkpọ abagokwara mmọnwụ na nke ikpeazụ a. Zenko na-akpa mama ya na January 10. Iti isi ka ị bịa mee aghara, a ga-esi fọm mbọ ọkpa gbagide gị egbe ruo n'isi. Ezikwara ka ị bịa nwee aṅụrị, ị bịa ị nwere aṅụrị. Ụkpọ ga-adị hot January 8 and 10. Dangote ya atụ ọkpa n'Ụkpọ January 8 live. Because Oga mmadụ ncha bụ the commander and the chief executive officer of Fenro Oil and Gas, the GIGC global concept, that is the Jpac Igbo global concept. Aka na-arụ rod, aka na-arụ all the whole kind of building material. Aka na-arụ ihe akụrụngwa eji arụ ụlọ, and the #1 accredited dealer of Dangote Cement South East and South South. Onye Ụkpọ Mbadike. Onye nwe franchise Dangote South East niile. All the whole cement coming down to South East niile na-abata n'afọ Oga mmadụ ncha. Ogore every blessed year a na-ebu ya he lost as Thanksgiving. Etu esi eje Thanksgiving n'aka ndị ụka, na-eje Thanksgiving n'aka ndị ndị omenala, ndị dibịa. Etu aka Dangote si ebe Thanksgiving n'aka Oga mmadụ ncha every year. A na-achịrị he lost say ya every good year. So the same man na-akpa mama and Dangote na-etinye arụ. So the burial is supposed to take place last year. So ebe nwe ka o si wee dị, I cancel wee putezie this. It was take place this January this year. But ebugharịziri ebugharị. Dangote na anọ alive. Everywhere go shake. Ndị na-ama ha ga-esi agbasa a ga-akpọ ha n'ọkụ. Watch gide ọ bụ na onye iro Jpac na watch. Watch gide BP ghere ya. Achịghị ọgwụ achị. Anyị ga-enye ndị mmadụ ọgwụ BP free. 500 milligram. Onye mkpọrọ Jpac asị kpọgide m asị wọchigide etu esi atụ ego. Wọchigide iwe wee gị anyị achịghị BP drug ṅụọ. And let me bring to your notice again January 3rd and 4th. Ihe na-agwa gị ebe m nọsi ọrụ. January 3rd and 4th. Ogbanje ga-agbara ọtọ n'ihe mbọsị. Ọga m gbara gburugburu. Ihe na-agwa bụ mmemme dịgasị ni January 3rd and 4th. All road list ihe mbọsị. Maka gịnị? High Chief Sir Ebuka Ọnụnkwọ dị eze ndị Igbo gburugburu na Benin Republic. Arụsị Agbata Efe, onye isi ọkanga, the commander and chief executive officer of Seahorse Lubricants, Seahorse Oil and Gas, ọ na-akpa mame January 4th. And ọ bụ na gịnị mere dịkarị mmemme and ịmana and ihe o ji ewute bụ na ọ rụchara mama ya ụlọ elu na-edozizi ụlọ elu a ka o mere mma ebe de mama ya nwụọ. So o bidokwa ụlọ ọzọkwa na-akụ nke mma ya wee sị na iwu na ọ ga-efinish that house before a na-akpa mma ya. January 3rd and 4th. Onwe ihe ọbụla ịkanyere ịma na ịgbasighị ike n'odogwu. Ọ dịsị nke mba na-esi anya wee ka anyị wedịrị m na October because mụ na ndị ọgaranya ya ma agbagawa aka. Ọ bụ na nwara nwazi Jpac why no put this wedding for December. I no go put. My level never reach. I go tell you the truth. I go select date to where be my level. Ọ bụ na nwara nwati wedding m na December. Who won't come my wedding? ebe men ya ebe na event karịrị no just wait ya ga mecha honeymoon na achụzi ego ama na that time mụ na mmadụ enwere okwu because na Seahorse akwụ ego m ụgwọ na akaụntụ sim Jpac na anything gbasara back okay unu amara na ego dị na blogging unu amara na ego dị na blogging I am not the MC of the day, fine and good, but akwụrụ m ụgwọ to air the thing. Ụgwọ abụ maazị Ebuka ọnụ nkwụ kwụrụ m ụgwọ sim Jpac gị nwa bụ blọga m mere certify ya bịara m beri ya mma m na-achọ m ka ị na-agba ya n'ihu akwụkwọ na-agara m live ka ọ na somebody just said Jpac clear the air, let everybody rest. If you really want to clear the air, do you know what to do? If you get okay, maybe you are just joining me. A call to a video, a channel call to a JB video and see from the beginning. Watch maybe you just joining now. I could tell me, but it doesn't work. I'm clear more air. Me give it. Picture can be like this. If you remember that, it's only clear air. Me hear me. Picture can be like this. If picture force yourself like 30 minutes. All the air a clear salmon. Make sure you didn't open your mouth. Just clear, yes, all the breeze. You couldn't need me up here. Then you will want to be for joy. You just see it down one. You got that. It's already clear air. If you share can be share on for 30 minutes. You joy something down one. By a man, clear air. You got that. Okay, say clear air. So you know, consider it clear air. Just check the big, we check it on. You know, all right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to still tell you the important notice. Na December 30. Update. Na December 30. Nedugu, all road leads to Enugu, the group and the family of Akurolo Friends Club of Nigeria. Haneje mepuno onyaka na abonea sima na Enugu didi ebenike. My boss Bogam mepe his paradise Enugu on 30th. Akurgo na ego na mmanya champagne 95 million. So each ka BP genare ibia that day even nor na kwasi even nor DSS 30 SSS 20 army you need the chideti if a dibia go na dike robo send down the rain send down the rain so all of them make I dey look human e gbasiri ike mo ne gbasachaghi ike guy, let me just tell you, on 30 December, all road leads to Ababanike. Dibiego Nanike ne Mepono. Are you coming for head of money child dedication happening on Sunday? Nah, I'm on a flight. I never see flights. If I see flights, I wish to come. I can just China, but and whenever years with the kid, I get my wife attention. I won't batata, you know, I had just come back. I have a end of month here. I never see flights. In case I want to give my wife attention. I won't the Austin Chiduru. I'm a positive comment on my page. I want to tell you, thank you very much. God bless you. Okoye Cynthia. Ewulu Lucy. For my wife namesake. She is Adam. Okay, Chinazam, yes. Afa Wunyam Kenaza. Chineke Goziegi. Naza Chinazam, Chineke Naza Hebere. You know? Yes. I may be care. Babe. Go back now, come out. No. You know, it's a ka echekta ị na-apụ apụ kpọrọ nwunye gị amala gị kpụ nwunye m apụ apụ ghọta Prosper na so onye yes ndị otu adị mma rice and beans otu adị mma rice and beans ịchọrọ ịgụ rice n'ugbo ya na ka otu adị mma ability God bless you otu ndị Zion okay wow thank you for ibupụta ozu onwe gị for blocking okay Skill God bless you na ewere n'iwe excluded TMT Monet power Robinson atụ anya God bless you negodo na-aza Emeka no wonder na-aza Emeka with the fake Emeka ka afọ no Emeka agbowo before m block oge m ebuzo buo gị ọnụ Jpac ọkpọntu before na block this one dey get ihe na-ekwu Emeka this year will be the worst year in your life this year ị ga-atakata ahụ this year na ajebe ka afọ fọrọ whether you are using fake account or using real account Emeka agbowo whosoever you may be that time this thing ị ga-aṅụ mmiri ga-agbado gị n'akpịrị ị ga-eri nri ahụ ga-agbagbo gị you can never see good thing in your life eke orie afọ nkwọ ga na-achụgharị gị ụtụtụ ehihie abalị eji isu weta aka ga kịta wee dee Jpac ọkpọntu ka ndị mmadụ esidere gị Emeka Ogbowo rest in peace Chineke ya abụghị ọrụ ụtụtụ ehihie abalị ị ga-atagide ahụhụ ọ bụgo na ị nwere ego this year ka ego gị ya agbari ọ bụ na ị nwere ego na ịkpatara ego this year ka ego gị ya agbari ọ bụgo na ịkpatabeghị ego you can never make the money again Emeka Ogbowo ị ya atakata ahụhụ tafọrọ ị ya atakata ahụhụ ndị generation ga na-asị biko tafọrọ anyị nke anyị ga-ata because afọ ga-efe gị ma eke orie afọ nkwọ ahịra n'ụbọchị na Emeka Ogbowo you are watching me as I'm talking you are watching me etu isi awọchị m ka ga-esi awọchị ebe a na-eli gị a ga-egbu ana gị 6 feet lie gị final ị ga-eli gị ị ga-anwụnwe ihere nwụọ ike ebe i believe n'ọnwaanyị ihe nwaanyị kwuru ka ị ga-ebelive ị ga-atakata ahụhụ ịbụrụ nwoke ụzọ gị ya echi ịbụrụ nwaanyị na-aza fake name ụzọ gị ya echi as long as no human being type ya ị ga-ata ahụhụ ebi Emeka Ogbowo lee gị lee afụfụ lee gị lee ihe ike lee gị lee ihe mgbu ya akpọ gị ihu na family gị niile ị ga-atagide ahụ a na-ajụ gị sị gị ebee ka afụ fọrọ ụmụ gị ga-asị gị dadị ọmụọmị tafọrọ anyị nke anyị ga-ata maka ahụ ya bụ nke gị eke orie afọ nkwọ etos wee kwue na-asụ aka na ana m asụ gị aka na eke orie afọ Emeka Ogbowo ị ga-ata ahụhụ ịbụrụ nwoke ihe mgbu bụ nke gị ị gara esi from hand to mouth even ị ga-ahụ ihe ị ga-eri ọ bụrụ na ị nwebe ego before Emeka tata isi ga ego gị ya agbari ọ bụrụ na ana m abụghị ọnụ na eke na-abụghị ruo ebighị ebi ezi aga m ablọk gị you are the only person I will not block you are the only person I will not block ma hapụ gị there tagbuo onwe so that ịbata next or everybody bata that place na-afụ there yes ị na-ata ya bụrụ m Jpac ọkpọntu ezi ndị fake account ịkagburu onwe gị n'ụka na-akagbu onwe gị n'ụka n'aka anyị gere egwu Chris Mekus I see you social ibi nne m ya taịpụkwa ọzọ ka ọzọ n'aka ebe ọ maka ete comment if I block am that way all these courses wey I learn now no go work that's why I don't want block am that's why I abụrụ m ọnụ bụsị ọnụ hapụrụ ya dị ọnụ you know ka ọ na-afụ onwe ebe o delete go the comment abụgo dị ọnụ bụ na abụgo dị ọnụ Emeka Ogbowo bụ nya ihe ike mgbu moto gbuchikwa gị ụzọ ịkpọgburu onwe gị na ntu ezi Panasonic Lumis amara m London use ọ bụrụ na Nigeria ka m goro ịchọ chat ya m enye gị ndị ewesa ndịrị gị from China amara m maka Nigeria ya ebe m goro ebu na their own computer village na China Happy Begase send me account number Come to the data. Is China a place our guys can go to work? Before they go China, we go na Jpac Jpac contact. Even Ogechi, you know. They go na Jpac even Europe, go with contacts. Let somebody assist you before you become boss of your own. And then China, you know, and the who was help Facebook help because a grow fans. So but I name na ego na young business opportunity, you know, name what is business or not easy. But they have half on COVID-19. After half on COVID-19, when I was building pages, build can happen, build about 4 to 5 pages. People now that pages here have a good rule. Everybody should be made advert, you know, and abroad you can't come and make to honor. Just give God glory. You got that. You got advert, you got advert. I have a saga, retire saga, a garden, a saga, a very good job, you know. My job that I better advert for 500,000. My money salary, a good Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank. Because I manage here because I can't remember update. I do 24 hours. Zenith Bank 217576242. Amara Gloria Ewuchukwu. Mano Yaga. Okay, I'll go. 10,000. 10,000. What did you get your card? Bayana Ayana Bakadabu. Let's not plan saga. If we are Jpac about saga, I'm not plan. Because I have no idea. So I will know Koyos or I have if I'm going to saga. I'm going to arrange. Because after all, most of money marriage. Don't can marriage. They live in Muguari. So I will marry drink about beach. If we are number saga, I'm going to arrange. But apart from that, we are not into saga. I'm a business. Biko, I am Nabata 0902491,001 0902491,001 10001 electric motorcycle. How about I'm going to video? A lot of people are not getting it, and a lot of people are going all brand new one, not on a cut up. Brand new electric motorcycle. Rechargeable. I'm going to one woman say Gabon. When you have recourse. When you see so I have a here go money. Over my private account and my business. I have a couple or a couple or okay. I have believe to watch this is my program from the beginning. I got a clear go behind the measure. No, so maybe my advert. About those okay, boo. Send your account now, Zoba God now. Send yes, I said send your account number. Or send it on WhatsApp, or send it to my wife. If you cannot send it here, send it to my wife. My wife will credit you or me, anybody. About Ogechi Okeke. People don't know. I'm actually all here. We can't forget about the channel here today. About to go by the Jack people at the Morgan Hotel, the Morgan Hotel, Ikeja. You know, where we buy me and you can hear. I just go with me and you. Go here with Ibiza. But on other jam base. Go and K. And K and a young body. And I have a full newly. Go here with and K. Ablado, Napulova. You know, many places. Ah, balance the Dogu. A balance very me, but my mother will. Balance the other way, Kakatana. Ah, it was all also the guys at my account. The resources make I send my account to. They got me. It was all about it. I send good. I send yeah. Yeah, but people that people to the it was on the pop. It was on people charge for this side. Okay, no, if you block. So we're going to clear, send the account to do. A boy son, but I like find a kind good in. If people are okay, if people are send. But go first bath now. Go first bath. If people are say when you were send. Hey, man, your man. Oh, you got that time, I hate me. Oh, you was exactly that time, you got send the other now if you beat us. So I got to keep on a WhatsApp here, send there. Limit my about today, or your evening. I can't do more than, unless nobody can make these small ones. Maybe if I come back in the night, I'm going to go there and I can measure and the money give you. No, ha! Hey, these are your fans, babe. Babe, I dare you now. If you pass a damage. Okay, I damage. If you beat us. Ami Beke. Zabagod. No do anything. So Zabagod no follow. No, so my wife just got every day here. I give you away. I don't know them, but I've never seen them before. You may try to give away. They call rubbish. Zabamba, Fuzi and WhatsApp. I'm still waiting for if he pitas. If he pitas, you are going nature. Also, wife, you don't vest. Forget my wife don't see shaking plumas for this online. My wife, they better give away. Don't make give away. When they go give away, then a page on you. My wife, we don't walk or make give away. When I went to my egg, when I went to go, just got a page in the way finish here. If people does okay, if people are waiting for you now, send. If people does. It's about why. It should be that place. If people are looking at check, everybody could go on. Jesus, my phone no charge. No charge. I'm not even that. Even this month said my own no charge. All the time is I'm on the check it. No, I'm not using your charger. I'm using my charger. No. Never. Yeah, my cord. Jpac, I never get my own money. I'm jobless. They no educate that or a hospital. So not the jobless. Cabo mockery gave a mockery. And where the angel? Baby, more like it go. I don't go lie you. And when they were hardcore, when they were hardcore fans of yours, maybe they migrated from your page to my page. Jpac don't talk full military. Nah, okay, okay. I forgot man. In China, it's a year up and diamond. I got over the day. When Nigeria be up and diamond, I said, come here. You're under arrest. China got a happy new year for herself. A year for their military, Okay. 81 74 98 29 I will be no like my first music, my first song. I can say that MP3. Nah, just push na this thing here. That's why. OP. Wow, you are lucky. 10,000. If he beat us, confirm. Yeah, baby. And pass my not. You know they see him now. I remember I put that photo. The page. The pass that single day following. We screenshot. They go now. They go. They see you. Go now. This is my wife said. Woman got this time. Candido we screenshot. Candido we screenshot. Well, why is what the saga? Taga